Hi guys, let's cook a beautiful meal tonight. Tonight we're having sausage curry with pasta and I'm going to bake this. So what I've done is, I haven't actually taken a video earlier. So what I'm going to do is mix my sausages into this. So I've basically boiled the pasta first, added a mild curry into it, and of course some green peas. So that's why it's yellow color, and I'm waiting for my sausages to cook. So I cooked the sausages first. So what I'm doing at the moment, I baked it, and once it's cooked, I'm going to mix it with this. I will add some salt and pepper and other herbs and spices, and maybe cut some more vegetable, but I think this might be okay. So let's have a look at our sausages and see how it's going. My little oven here. There we go, it's cooking nicely. Can't really see it properly, but I'm just going to wait for that until that's nice and crispy. Then I'll cut it up into small bits and pieces and then bake it again together with the pasta. And that will be our beautiful, delicious meal. Simple and easy, but delicious. So let's come back later on and add the sausages once the sausages is cooked. So this is the color that you see is mild curry. So I'm put a mild curry flavors with some green peas. There we go. And then this cut up beautiful pasta in a tube. So I boiled that one, and then of course it's nice and soft. It's ready to go. Just got to wait for our sausages. So we're just gonna leave that one there while I do other stuff and wait for the sausages to cook. All right, we'll see you in the next little bit.